In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can read a modern post-2001 UK number plate. So we got a number plate there, and I'm going to teach you how you can break this down and understand what this number plate is actually telling you. So it's actually broken down into three parts. So the first part is what we call the DVLA memory tag, and that tells you the office that the vehicle was originally registered to. The next two digits tells you the age identifier, or in other words, when was this vehicle originally manufactured? And then the last bit is simply some random letters. And unless someone has bought a personalized number plate, this should be completely random. So let's look at each part of this in turn and understand how to analyze this. So we'll start with the memory tag, and you have a large table like this, and it looks complicated, but it's really not particularly complicated. This column comes from the first letter, and then this is the second letter. The first letter tells you roughly the area, and the second letter lets you drill down into exactly which office location it is. So for example, in this one, we've got AA. So we look at A in this column, then we come across to A here, and we read across, and we'll see that this vehicle was registered in Peterborough. And that's where it was originally registered. It may be that it's owned somewhere completely different, but that's where the car was registered when it was new. So if we had, for example, NR, we would simply say N, then find R here and read across, and that would tell us it's Stockton. So the first two letters tells you exactly which office the car was originally registered in. So let's move on and look at these two digits here and understand how to interpret that. So we've got another table here. And so you've got years, and this table goes from 2001 to all the way to 2021. And you'll see that there is a pattern going on here. So the first numbers go from 1st of March to 31st of August, and it's simply two digits that match up with the first part of the year. So we've got 02 meaning 2002, 03 for 2003, 04 for 2004, and the pattern just continues on. You'll notice this wraps across 2 years because the later numbers go from 1st of September of your first year round to the 28th to the 29th of February of your next year. And these numbers are connected. If you want to take this and subtract 50 from it, that will get you to these numbers, and that can help you remember what year it is. For example, if you had a license plate that was 59, subtract from that 50, that takes you to 09, and so that will tell you you're looking at 2009 as the first part of that year. So when we look at our example here, it's ending in 08, and therefore we can say that this must have been registered somewhere between the 1st of March of 2008 up to the 31st of August of 2008. So that gives us a broad range. So that is now all of the information that you can extract from a UK number plate, assuming the number plate hasn't changed, because you can, with some rules, change license plates between vehicles. So it's only an indication. It doesn't tell you for certain the information, but most of the time, license plates and number plates haven't changed. So hopefully this video has been very helpful to you. And finally, thank you very much for watching.